Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix no SIM problem on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Solution number 1 is to enable or turn off airplane mode. Slide down turn on airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back off and check your problem to see whether it's fixed or not. Then try the next solution. Restart your iPhone. This is a simple but often effective solution for many problems, including SIM card issues. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Eject the SIM card and insert it back again. Often ejecting your SIM card and re-input back again can solve issues. For network signal, after that your problem will be solved. But if you still have issues, then try out the next process. Solution 4. Try to reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap on General Scroll. Down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by resetting network settings, your phone network settings will be set to default, so you should remember your password. After that, if you still have a problem, then try the last solution. Solution 5. Try a different SIM card. If your SIM card is not working on your iPhone, try using a different SIM card. If your iPhone works with a different SIM card, that means the problem is likely with your original SIM card. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.